Okay, so let's take a look at how you can add counter widget to your WordPress page or post using Elementor. So let's open one of the page where we can add that counter. So we have to edit that page in Elementor. Okay, and it's one of the free widget that you can add. As you can see, I already have this Elementor as free version, and it's not pro version, so anyone can use this widget. Okay, so let me remove any existing and then drop the counter on page. Okay, here you can see it counts from 0 to 100. Okay, and animation duration is by default 2000, which you can increase to, let's say, 6000, which becomes slower, and you can view up to 100 easily. You can use separator as dot. Okay, and you can simply see going down to YouTube 10K. Okay, here you can also add its style. Let's say if you want to add text purely black, also typography, you can change this to, let's say, Arial, and increase the height. Okay, so as you can see here, I can choose typography, then choose the size in, let's say, pixel 100. That would be too big. Okay, and let's make this 60. Okay, or something readable, 20. Okay, let's go with 25. And now we can also use weight as bold. Right, then we can choose the settings for number. We can change its color. Let's see, choose green. Typography, we don't have to do that for now, and let's go with advanced. Here you can choose motion effects, and let's see, if I use fade in, and delay for that would be, let's see, 10, and let's update. Okay, now let's preview the change. Here you can see it's slowly added, and the delay to 100 was pretty much visible as well. So you get the idea how to use counter widget in WordPress page or post using Elementor.